What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Bunzo Bunny from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top of each eye, draw a small circle coming in for a highlight, and then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now I want to add a fold going across the bottom of the eyes. So let's start over on the left, bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down. Now I'm going to step down, draw another curve to the top edge of the mouth. Go back to the side, coming down, round this out, and then go back up. Now we're going to add the teeth across the top, come down, across, and then up like a rectangle. And it'll separate the teeth in half with a straight line. Go down to the bottom, add a curve for the tongue, and it'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now underneath each eye, we draw an upside down triangle for the markings. Let's go up to the top of the eyes. We're going to stretch this out. So go a little bit higher on the top and then down. From the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and curve the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, come all the way around underneath the head, go up on the right, and then bend that in. Let's draw a circle for the cheeks. Starting from the outside, we go up, come in towards the mouth, and then back out. Now from the top of the cheeks, we're going to curve the head. We're going to go up, and bend this in towards the middle. Let's leave a gap, go out, and then bend that down towards the right. Let's add some hair in this gap. We're going to start over on the left, bend this up, and then out, round this out, and come in towards the head, and draw a shorter one, going out, and then in. Now we're going to place that cone hat on top of the head. Let's start right in the middle at the very top, start with a point, angle this down and out towards the left, and then the right side, going in behind the hair, and then continue down. Now I want to add some diagonal stripes coming across, starting from the top left, angle this down, and just continue this all the way down towards the bottom of the hat. Let's add a circle across the top. And we'll come back and finish off the ears after you've drawn in the body. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's draw two lines. One coming down on the left, then one on the right. Let's round at the bottom, pull that up towards the outside. And we're just going to angle this up and then in underneath the head. We're going to add two buttons across the bottom of the circle. And I'll add an X in the center. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top of that strap. I'm just going to curve the body, going out, down, and then in towards the hips. Let's move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up, and then down. Let's go back to the outside of the hip. We're going to step up, curve the leg, going around, come down, up in the middle, and do the same thing on the right. Coming around, up, and then in towards the hip. Now in between the straps, we're going to add a curve. Starting from the left, come down and in, curve the middle, and then up towards the right. Let's go to the bottom. We're just going to tear up the bottom edge of the pen. Let's start from the outside, curve this around and up. I'm just going to do that a couple more times coming towards the inside, and then line that up on the right. Now underneath this curve, let's bend the leg, going out and then down towards the heels on both sides, and then round out the bottom of the feet. coming down, and then up. Let's curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this in, and then down, aiming towards the heel. I'll leave a gap on the inside. Now going back up underneath the pant, let's bend the leg, coming down and out on top of the feet. Now I want to separate the toes with two curves. Start with the outside, step in, draw that again. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms holding those two large symbols. We're going to start from the hips, we're going to draw a large oval, we go up in an angle, bend that out, and I'm just going to line it up on the right side. Let's round out the end, come down, and then round out the inside towards the hip. Now I want to draw the arms coming down from the head, in behind the symbols, and then along the outside. So let's start from the top of the strap, then it's down, and then out, in behind. Now when you come down towards the bottom, it's going to bend the arm, coming around, up, and then in towards the top. Now with the body in place, let's go back and finish off the ears. We're going to start from the base of the hat, start with the one on the left. We're going to go up, then it's down, and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up, around the head, and then out. Let's round out the end of the ear, coming down and then in, and it'll continue along the inside, going up underneath the head. Let's add that trim along the inside of the ear. Start from the top, we're going to follow that curve, coming all the way around, go in behind. I'm just going to taper this down towards the bottom, and we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bunzo Bunny from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.